Good day. Thank you for calling Jackia Restaurant. How may I assist you?
Hello, I would like to make a reservation, please.
Sure, may I have your name, please?
My name is Rohan Cruz.
Thank you, Mr. Roan. For what date and time would you like to reserve?
I'd like to reserve on September 15 at 3 or 5 p.m.
Noted. How many people will be your reservation?
It will be two, me and my friend.
Alright, I have reserved a table for 2 people on September 15 at 3 to 5 p.m. under your name. Is that correct?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. We look forward to serving you. Have a great day.